Hello students and welcome back to another video. In this video we will talk about the article the definite article, and we will discuss the use cases of this article, and there will be several rules that we need to follow with the usage of this article. So let's start. First of all, we have the rule that when we mention a noun for the second time or third or fourth time, we will use the with that noun. As I had also mentioned this in the previous video, that with the first mention we use the article a or an, and with the second mention we use the article the. For example, there was an apple on the table, the apple was rotten. So with the second mention I have said the apple was rotten. So that is the use of the. Another usage is that when the listener already knows that what we are talking about in that sentence, when the noun is somehow specified, we will use the article the. For example, in the sentence, put the salt on the table. Now in this sentence, the listener already knows that I am talking about some specific salt that is present in the room, and I want that salt to be put on the specific table that is also near me in the room. So that is the use of the. And then the is also used with unique objects. Unique objects are like the moon, the sky, the earth, the river Indus. These things are unique. These are proper nouns and they are unique. So with these unique objects we will use the. For example, the sky is blue. We rarely say that sky is blue. We generally say the sky is blue because sky is unique. Similarly, we can say that the queen is very rich. So the queen, because the queen is a unique noun. And similarly, we can say that the moon is very bright because moon is a unique noun. So that was the use of the with unique nouns. Then we use the with adjectives that are superlative or that are comparative. For example, I can say that Ali is the better of the two brothers, or Ali is the taller of the two brothers. So the taller, because taller is a comparative adjective, so before that we place the. And similarly, I can say that Ali is the strongest among all of us. So the strongest, and Ali is the tallest among all of us. So the tallest and the strongest, because tallest and strongest are superlative adjectives. Next, we can also use the in the beginning of the names of classes or groups of nouns. For example, the poor, the rich, the police, the jury. I can say that the jury found him guilty, or the police has caught the thief. The poor are complaining about their wages. So the poor or the jury or the police are classes or groups of people. That is why we have put the before these classes. Then the article the is also placed in the beginning of ordinal adjectives or numbers, and these are first, last, second, or next, the following. So we place the before these. For example, I can say that he was the first person to climb Mount Everest. So the first person. The first, why the? Because first is an ordinal number. So that is the use of the with ordinal numbers. Then the is also used to mention titles or family names or specific names of diseases or body parts or directions. For example, I can say that the Robinsons are very poor. So the Robinsons. Robinsons is a family name, that is why I have put the before this family name. And I can also say that go towards the south. So the south. Why the south? Because south over here is being used as a noun. So I have put the before the name of this direction. So that were all the use cases of the. I hope you got the idea about the usage of this article. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.